Yeah, that's nice. Look at that. Lovely. Here we go. Right, where do we want this? Somewhere here. Nice big mountain. Have a nice big peak there. Yeah. This one's coming in front now, you see. Get all that on there. And then we'll add some nice snow onto that. Just whacking it on with the palette knife. Let's do some, maybe that one comes down there. Let's make that one a bit higher. We'll add some snow. Does that keep going off the page? Off the canvas? I always call it a page and it's a canvas, isn't it? Yeah. It probably cost me about 20 quid to put the heating on just before I came in. With the heating prices at the moment. It's crazy. But there you go. I've got to stay warm. I used. Let's just pull some of that out. Cutting in with a fan brush, now that's skill. Just pulling some of these mountains down now. Any little bits you do, you can redo. That's the good thing about painting. You can just redo it. Right, I've got some white here. And I've got a tiny little bit of blue in it, but not much. I'm just going to literally pick up a tiny bit. Bring that down here. I just want a hint. Maybe something like that. Right, let's think about putting some snow on. Let's start this side and we can have some snow. This is the interesting part, guys. I love watching arts and crafts when I want to sleep. Oh, it's so relaxing. Jessica's in Scotland right now and it's -10. Wow. I've got a friend in Scotland. I bet he's cold. So I'm just dragging very lightly on there, just to create a bit of snow. This one comes down there. We can add all sorts of shadows and right, let's have this one a bit more 3D. That one can come down that way. So let's bring this one down to about there. Let's keep doing this. There we go. Can you see the rocks starting to take shape? Let's bring this one down. So basically, I'm literally just dragging the knife on. You can create any kind of mountain you want. Oh, thank you so much for the gifts. So it's so appreciated. Tommy, thank you so much. And thanks for becoming number 1 or number 2 viewer, whoever's number 1 or 2. It's amazing how adding some snow can bring them to life. Absolutely. Yeah, I can put all sorts of shadows in, but it literally is just dragging the knife. Now this one, I can have probably to about there, I think. Let's work this out, about there, and have that going around there. Yeah, let's do it. Let's just come straight from here. And it always helps if you make noise. Just gonna have to dip into the white a little bit more. Now I'm excited. I've got a whole new batch of painting products coming tomorrow. I've got loads of new stuff coming. And I can't wait. One of my subscribers kindly sent me a little bit of money to treat myself on some new brushes and stuff, so I'm forever grateful for that. So I've got a nice little batch coming. I've also suffered mentally after my brain treatment. Oh, so sorry to hear that. This content helps, so I'm so pleased. I'm so pleased it helps. It's really nice to have you here, and I hope that things are okay for you. And it's very nice to have you here. Right, so as you can see, I've done all these sides, and then when I come to here, I'll be adding some blue to it, which will give the shadow effect. That's basically what. Let's just change the shape of this. Let's go up there. There we go. So that's why I've left all them there. Just touching a few bits at the top. Right, now I think I'm quite happy with that. I can change lots of different stuff here now. It's all good. I'm in a better place now than what I was. That's really good to hear. Chuck a dash of blue into the white and do the other. Yeah, that's literally what I just said. Win Daddy, Bob Ross would be proud of you. I hope so. He's an absolute inspiration. Guy's a legend. And along with Bill Alexander, you know, William or Bill Alexander. So you can see I've got some the same sort of colour, but I'm adding some blue, some more blue, to give it that icy shadow effect. And we can have some fun now. So we can come right down here. Just by adding that nice little bit of flavour to the paint. We have got something different there. Gives a real good effect. See the way that comes around? And it's important not to go too mad, I've found, because it'll just take over all the black. You want some of that grey black showing, because you want to see your mountain. And a good thing about the palette knife, you can swap it around. I'm using this big side, but I'm swapping around using the small side just to get in here, making sure I ain't got too much. You can make your mountains however you want. I can add a little bit more white in there, a little bit of shadow in there. Just gives that effect. Nice rocky, snowy mountains.